In this short tutorial video, I want to go over the issue of nested loops and nested if-then statements. So here's an example of what a nested loop can look like. Here we have a repeat 10 times command, which is followed by a repeat 5 times command. Then we have the print command indicating print hello, and then we have end repeat and end repeat. This would be an example of a nested loop. So all that really means is that we have a loop inside of a loop. This will not work in this version of Alexia BASIC. So if we want to use repeat 10 times, we should have that stand on its own, and we can end it with an end repeat as follows. And then of course, if we wanted to have a repeat 5 times, we can then have that stand by itself as you see here. So for example, let's say here we wanted to just print hello, and then we'll just change this down here to, for example, say print goodbye. So here we have an example of a loop that has been unnested. Right now, these two loops stand by themselves. They are no longer nested or combined within one another. Now, the same rule applies for if-then statements. We don't want to have a situation where we have nested if-thens, as is the case here. So here we have if word box 1 contains October, then if word box 2 contains December, then print found it, and then we have two dash dash and ifs. So what we'd want to do instead is take each of these analysis commands one at a time. So if word box 1 contains October, then print found it, and then of course we'd end with end if, right? And then we have a separate analysis command indicating if word box 2 contains December, then print found it dash dash end if. And of course, spacing is immaterial as it relates to the end if statements. For legibility, sometimes it's nice to have a little space there. It's not ultimately required. But the key takeaway here is that there should not be a nested if-then statement. Each individual analysis command should stand on its own. It should be separate as demonstrated here. And of course, in summary, the same is true for loops. We don't want to have nested loops. Instead, we want each loop to stand by itself as demonstrated in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Now please subscribe to our channel.